Welcome to Google Ads. Now that you've come on board, it's time to jumpstart your business's digital journey and growth. This video series is the perfect place to begin, whether you're brand new to the world of digital advertising or have been running Google Ads and need a refresher. Over the course of this video series, you'll be introduced to many of the basics and learn how to set up, manage, and measure the success of your ad campaigns while getting the most out of your ad spend. These foundational elements are crucial in ensuring that you are able to effectively drive toward meeting your business goals. Before discussing your business's advertising goals, let's quickly review the importance of being present on Google. Do you remember when Google looked like this? It's hard to imagine when it was just a search engine and only 5% of the world had access to the internet. Fast forward to today, 57% of the world has access to the internet. And that computer corner in your home is now a supercomputer in your pocket that's available to you at any moment. Mobile devices have changed everything. This growth in connectivity and rapid development in technology is increasingly impacting how much time people spend online, as well as our expectations in the real world. Today's consumer is more empowered than ever. They expect immediate, personal, and helpful online experiences. Consumers are more curious and want to easily find the answers to any question with just a few taps. Because consumers know what's possible, they are more demanding, so they expect businesses to cater to their individual needs. And lastly, because consumers know just how quickly they can get their needs met, they have become more impatient. The good news is that there are more opportunities than ever before to connect and influence your customers by helping them find what they're looking for. It's crucial for your business to understand and anticipate these key moments of consumer intent in order to drive business growth by delivering the right experience to the right person at the right moment. Google algorithms are able to recognize and understand what your consumers need and seamlessly deliver the most useful experiences. This series will walk you through how to make the most of Google Ads in order to deliver the best user experiences using effective ad campaigns and engaging your most valuable customers. By the end of this series, you will be able to align your business goals to your marketing metrics, measure and understand how your customers' actions contribute to your business goals, take the right steps toward creating a successful search campaign, understand who your most valuable customers are, and optimize your website to drive the most value from Google Ads. As you navigate this learning path, apply each topic by following along in your Google Ads account. There are plenty of additional resources linked to each video if there are topics you'd like to explore more. Move through the videos at your own pace, and most important, remember to have fun. Let's kick off this video series with thinking strategically about your business goals.